My question is rather simple, and apologies if it's been asked before, but that's a really cool desk that Lou is sat at. What's it called? Where's it from? What's the story behind it? You know what? This is new. It is a walnut tree. Well, it's a sliver. Well, it's more than a sliver. It's a chunk of a walnut tree. It's a live edge. It's a real... This is a real tree when you bet. It's a tree with some very cool hand-welded legs for it. It's a place called Anglewood where I got it from, and they just kind of made it up for me. I think it's a nice place to sit, to be honest. I'm really happy with it so far, to interact with the natural, the truly natural, not a veneer, not to patch together, but instead like an actual tree trunk. I feel like I'm sitting with nature. It's got a smell to it, a texture. So you're right. It's really fantastic. It's about, I think it's 8 feet long, but the guy with the company Anglewood, he thought it would work, that this particular slab would work really well as a desk because of the shape of it, the natural shape of it, and he was right. This desk, though, has me looking at trees completely differently. I drive around, I'm like, huh, you need a really big tree to get a desk like this, like a really old tree. You try to count the rings, it takes a long time to have something like this. But I love the natural stuff. There's two things I really like, Will.
What's that?
Wood and leather. Nothing else. That's it. That's all I like.
That's all you talk about.
I love wood, I love leather, and I love the combination of both. What was the thing that George St. Pierre said? There are three things. There are three things he likes. Jack, do you remember that? Dinosaurs, women, and the violence of the octagon. Those are the only things GSP likes, or that get him excited.
What excites GSP?
What excites GSP? Here's his answer. A woman, of course, dinosaurs, and the violence of the octagon. So, besides those three things, I would like to add wood, some good, high-quality wood, a tree if you can, and some top grain, full grain leather.